everyone. I'm Harshini Jayatunga from the Provincial Department of Education, Central Province. Today in this lesson, you are going to learn about how to write notes. First of all, let's see what is a note. A note is a personal piece of writing, or you can say it's a short written message. You write a note to a friend or a relative or to someone you know. Remember, note is not a letter. You write a note only to someone you know. You write a note only to convey a small message. Let's look at an example. First, we write the date, but the date is optional. Then, write the name of the receiver or the person to whom you are writing the note. Next, the body of the note. Here, you write the message that you need to convey in a very short and precise manner. Finally, you end the note by writing the name of the sender or the person who write the note. Let's look at an example of a note. First, we write the date, then the name of the receiver. Next, in the body of the note, we write the message. We are going to see the drama Hamlet tomorrow. Bring ₹100 for the ticket if you wish to see it. And to end the note, we write the name of the person who writes the note. There are a few important points to be noted when you write a note. In the format of a note, first comes the date, but writing the date is not compulsory. Either you can write the date or you can leave it. You won't lose marks even if you don't write the date. Then you must avoid salutation and simply write the name of the person to whom you are writing the note without addressing as Dear Himali or Loving Friend, etc. And when you write the body of the note, you need to use an informal language, that means in a very friendly manner, and write it in a very simple, clear way. Write to the point only. Don't write hi, how are you as you write in a letter. You can use contracted forms. For example, here instead of writing we are going to see, we have written the contracted form we are to make the note short. Then you can also use common abbreviation. For example, instead of writing rupees in full form, here we have written the abbreviation of rupees. But remember, when you use abbreviation, both the sender and the reader should know and understand them. So, only use the common abbreviations known by everybody. Then, when you end the note, avoid complimentary clause. For example, don't write your loving friend, yours faithfully, etc. Simply write the name of the sender. As you already know, in the G.C.E. O-Level Paper 1, you may find a question on note writing, and you will be given 5 marks for the question. So let's look at the question on note writing given in the practice paper. Test 6. You and your friend were searching for a rare book both of you wanted to read. You found the book in the public library. Write a note to your friend and promise to lend her the book after reading it. You can easily get some key points for your note from the question itself. What are the key points you can find in here? You have to mention you found the book in the public library which you both were searching for. Then you have to say you promised to lend her the book after reading it. Now let's write the note. 23rd July 2020, Tilini, I found the book we were searching for in the public library. I will lend you the book after reading. Maliti. Now let's look at an example of O-Level paper. Test 6. You are interested in joining an English camp with your best friend after the examination. You went to his or her place to talk about it, but your friend was not at home. Write a note to be left in his or her letterbox telling him or her about it. Use about 40 to 50 words. Include when you came, why you came, ask him or her to call back. First, underline the key points in the question which you need to include in your note. You need to mention when you came, then why you came. Here it says you are interested in joining an English camp with your best friend after the examination and you came to talk about it. Then you need to ask him or her to call back. And remember, you have to limit your note to 40 to 50 words. Now let's write the note. 23rd July 2020. Amani, I heard there is an English camp in our school after the examination. I'm interested in joining it with you. I came to your house last evening to talk about it, but you were not at home. Can you please call me back? Vihanga. So here you can see we have included all the necessary points using only 46 words. I hope you find it easy to follow this lesson and now you have a clear idea about note writing. Wish you all the very best for your exam. Thank you for watching.